In this quick video, we're going to show you how to find your plat map on the state's website. When you're in MapWashtenaw, a simultaneous conveyance is denoted by the red boundary. Use the Identify tool to draw a box within that boundary. And on the left side, you can see a result for the simultaneous conveyance. This is like your subdivision. So if I click on that, I can see the name of my subdivision, and there's a link to search for a copy of the plat on the state's website. So if I just copy this, click on this link to open the state's website, you can go down here to the search for records, change your record type to plat records, and in your project name, put the smallest unique piece of text from the name in here, because sometimes they're called something slightly different. So we want to get as many results as possible and then look through them to find which one we need. So in this case, I'll just put that unique name for the subdivision, then click search. Only one came up, so it took me directly into the records. Now that I'm in here, I click on record information, go down to attachments, and we have one attachment here. If I click on this, it will download the image, and if I open it, we can see the map. Now let's see what it looks like when we get many records. So if I choose my record type as plat records again, and then let's type a more generic name here. So let's just say Grove. So anything with the word Grove in it will come up. I'll click search. Now we get 68 records. If you want, you can expand that additional criteria, change your county to Washtenaw, and when you click search, it will narrow down just to those in Washtenaw County. This will really help you get through all the results. When you pick one that you think might be what you're looking for, click on the text here, and that will open the individual record. Same thing as before, go to record information, attachments, and then you can download the images here by clicking on their names. Now, not all simultaneous conveyances are the same. Some are condominiums or others are site condos. For example, Dorsey Estates here. If we use the Identify tool to find it, click into the results for the simultaneous conveyances. Now I can hover over to see which one is which. I want this smaller one, so I click into it. We'll use the second link here to find its documents. So now if I click on this link, it will take you to Washtenaw County's self-service portal to search for these documents. I'll click on Document Search because I'm searching for documents. Make sure you read this information here. There's no charge to preview degraded document images, but if you want to see the full quality images, you'll need to purchase them. And we're going to go ahead and click on Document Number Search because that's the recommended way of searching. We'll search by the library and page numbers here. And if I peek back at MapWashtenaw, if you're looking at a particular parcel, in the tax description, you will see the information here for the library and page. So 5543 and 603. We'll go ahead and search by that, 5543 and 603. Hit search at the bottom right. We can see our master deed document here. Go ahead and click into it by clicking on the little document icon here. And you can see the whole PDF. Like I mentioned before, it's degraded if you're just looking at the free preview. But you can see some of the information here on the left. And if you scroll all the way down in the document, you eventually do see some maps. There we go. Now, while we're on the topic of looking up documents on the Registry of Deeds website, I just wanted to make another point here. On this parcel, it's not in the simultaneous conveyance, and there's no library and page here in the tax description, but you can look up these other documents here. If you click into them, such as this quitclaim deed, you can see there is a library and page here. If I go back, I've added a link at the bottom here directly to that Register of Deeds document search page. So if I open that, we're back to where we were, and I can search under the document number search. We have 4524 and 513. Hit search, and we can see that deed here.